Today might be the most exciting day ever. We have the gorgeous pink iPhone 16 Plus along with the fuchsia pink silicone case. I cannot wait to get to unboxing. Thank you, Apple, for finally giving us the pink we've been wanting all of these years. Let's go. Now this is my dream come true. The pink is absolutely perfect and I love how it's more fuchsia around the camera. These sides are also metallic, which look really awesome. It really adds that glamour, elegance, and vibes that we love. The color of the phone case is way brighter than I expected. To be honest, I think I would rather a clear phone case. I don't want to take away from this gorgeous pink back. Let's go around the room and see how this color compares to other pinks. My entire life, I have been obsessed with this pink Smeg fridge. I'm so happy to say that the pink iPhone is the exact shade of pink. What? I'm loving the matchy-matchy with the Smeg and all of this pink cookware and dishware. Apple really nailed it, giving us the best pink possible. In different lighting, I feel like this pink looks a little more of a purple undertone, which I'm not mad about, but against this light pink wall, it's looking way more purple. So this iPhone is not blush pink at all. If you want a blush pink iPhone, the 15 series or even the 13 has a pink that will perfectly match this blush pink, but we're having a more fuchsia color. There is nothing I love more than customizing my iPhone. You guys know that. So I'm really excited to use the new iOS 18 customization tools to make this the pink phone of my dreams. You guys gotta stay tuned. Make sure to hit subscribe so you can be the first to watch my customization tutorial, because I'm gonna go do that right now. So I also got my hands on the ultramarine and the teal, and I just filmed an unboxing. So if you wanna go watch that, click here. But thank you guys so much for watching the unboxing of the pink. I'm gonna go have some fun right now, do some customization, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.